Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. 1 year ago, we bought the 20-inch 40-volt brushless cordless Ryobi lawnmower. And today I want to give you a closer look at how it works and tell you the 5 things that we love about this mower. Here's the mower in the upright, folded position, which is perfect for storing the mower as it takes up less space in the garage. To set it up for mowing, turn the handle adjustment knobs, raise the handle, and secure the knobs. On each side of the handle, you'll lift the handle lock levers, extend the handle, and lock the levers back. Slip the 40-volt battery into the battery port. The front section is the battery storage compartment for an extra battery. And before you turn it on, you either attach the grass catcher bag or the mulching plug. The mower will not start if one of these is not attached. I'm adding the grass catcher, but if you use the mulching plug, the grass will just fall right back in the yard. To turn it on, you pull the bail to the upper handle and push start. Let's get mowing. This grass was not that tall, so it's hard to see that it's working, but you'll see the grass clippings a little bit later. Ryobi makes a push mower, like this one I have here, and a self-propelled mower. I went with the push mower as I don't have any hills at my house and it's really easy to push it on my own. But if you're looking for that feature, that mower is about $100 more than this one. And here's an example of the self-propelled mower that we checked out a few years ago at an outdoor event. You can see while it's on, there's a light to help guide you, which is a little bit more helpful when it's darker. There's also a height adjustment lever on the side to adjust how low or tall you want the grass to be cut. It turns so easily, and I'm gonna say it, it makes mowing fun. And look, Mom, one hand! It's that easy that it can be done with one hand with very little effort. Now, I'll tell you, I let one of my neighbors borrow this last year to try out in his yard, and after one mow, he went to Home Depot and bought his very own. Previously, I used a real mower for my yard, which you can see in this video right here, but after using both, I'll have to say I do wish I bought this Ryobi one a little bit sooner because it's awesome. And if you're wondering what it sounds like, here's the sound with no audio adjustments. I'm not wearing earplugs because it really is not loud at all. My side yard is pretty much all weeds, and this takes care of them really quickly. So after 1 year, I'd have to say the 5 things I love about this mower is, number 1, how lightweight it is. Number 2, it doesn't take gas, so you don't have to deal with all that smelly mess. Number 3, it's easy to store and doesn't leak any fluids like gas mowers. Number 4, the battery works on over 50 Ryobi outdoor tools, including the expanded system, which is one that I own. Number 5, the price. At $299, this was totally worth it and will last me for years to come. And if you're wondering about the battery life, to mow my yard, it took just 1 tick of the 6-amp battery, and I typically use the same battery to mow my yard, edge the yard, clean up weeds with a string trimmer, and clean up my hedges with my hedge trimmer. And I store the mower and attachments right here in my garage. And when I'm done, I put the battery pack back on the charger so it's ready for next time. Ryobi's recently come out with a couple new versions of mowers. These have longer runtime and hold more batteries. I'm completely happy with this one. This is perfect for my small yard, and it's fun to see because my neighbors are also investing in battery-powered mowers for their yards. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and hit the subscribe button right here on YouTube and click that bell to be notified when we post a new video.